Manteca's Public Works Department is working around the clock to serve the community. The Water Resources section of Public Works oversees the Water and Wastewater Division and consists of 58 employees, including 9 supervisors, 19 operators, 18 maintenance workers, 9 mechanics/electricians, and 2 administrative assistants. The Water Division's goal is to provide an adequate water supply, treated to required standards, for consumption, irrigation, industry, recreation, and firefighting activities. In doing so, we ensure the delivery of a safe, reliable water source to the residents and businesses of Manteca. The division maintains 340 miles of water pipes, 25,000 water meters, almost 9,000 water valves, and over 3,000 fire hydrants. The Water Division team is proud to serve Manteca residents and businesses. They work diligently to maintain the water distribution system and test the water continuously to ensure our drinking water is safe. The division maintains 17 groundwater wells, 16 treatment facilities, and a 4 million gallon storage tank with a pump station capable of pumping 12,500 gallons per minute. The Water Division typically produces and distributes over 5 billion gallons of drinking water annually, collects thousands of water quality samples, and responds to emergency calls 24/7, 365. The Wastewater Division's goal is to collect, treat, and dispose of the city's wastewater in full compliance with state, federal, and local regulations. In doing so, we protect people, property, infrastructure, and the environment from damage or injury caused by the discharge of pollutants. The division operates and maintains a 9.87 million gallon per day wastewater treatment plant, 16 sanitary sewer lift stations, 83 storm drain pump stations, and a CNG production and dispensing facility. They work diligently to maintain the wastewater treatment plant, lift stations, and collection system to ensure the city is protecting our environment. The division maintains 351 miles of sewer pipe and 25,000 sewer laterals. The division typically treats over 3.5 billion gallons annually, generates 145,653 diesel equivalents of CNG fueling the city's solid waste fleet, produces 180 million gallons of recycled water, collects thousands of water quality samples, and responds to emergency calls 24/7, 365. The Streets Division is a full-service street division of 12 employees that maintain 265 plus or minus lane miles of streets and alleys, as well as 530 plus or minus linear miles of sidewalk, curb, and gutter for our community. Streets' general responsibility is to keep the transportation system safe, be it for vehicle or foot traffic, through a comprehensive maintenance program. This includes repairing/maintaining potholes and deteriorated asphalt, eliminating lifted sidewalk and trip hazards, providing clear travel direction through signs and markings, and working with Bear Electric to keep our traffic signals and streetlights maintained. The Streets Department works closely with WQCF to maintain the city sewer system through repairs of bad sewer laterals and mains. Streets is the backbone of the city, as they work with all other divisions for various repairs and special projects. This ranges from the restoration of concrete and asphalt for water and wastewater to special projects through the engineering and city manager's office. Through street services, they are able to provide assistance to fire and PD for vehicle accidents and road closures for parades and fairs. The Solid Waste Division consists of 34 operators, 3 customer service representatives, 1 ordinance enforcement assistant, and 1 administrative assistant. The residential collection program services approximately 24,000 residents in the city of Manteca. The residential program runs 11 routes Monday through Friday, with each operator servicing 450 to 500 houses. Solid Waste Division provides several free services to the residents of the city of Manteca. The free services include 2 shred-it events throughout the year, where tires, electronic waste, mattresses, and paper are collected. The Solid Waste Division also provides a free 2-yard bin to the residents once a calendar year, or a bulky item pickup. Residents can bring their batteries, e-waste, mattresses, recycling, or sharps to their location for free. Residents can also request extra stickers one time a calendar year and have the operators pick up bags of garbage that are not in their carts. Solid Waste Division Commercial Collection Program services approximately 950 commercial businesses in the city of Manteca. Routes are run 6 days per week to provide service when needed by 5 front-loader operators. Each driver has an average of 550 stops each week. There are also sweeper routes to clean the streets of the city of Manteca. Solid Waste Division also provides rentals of bins to the commercial businesses, and maintenance on these bins includes repairing broken lids, wheels, and paint. The Solid Waste Dropbox program provides and services larger boxes at construction sites, businesses, and other commercial locations. Concrete, steel, and other commodities are often collected from businesses in large boxes. Vehicle maintenance performs comprehensive inspections, maintenance, and daily repairs on a wide variety of equipment that is crucial for the community of Manteca. This internal service includes emergency vehicles, fire apparatus, police cruisers, and detective sedans. City-owned vehicles, light to medium-duty trucks, vehicle pool, non-emergency sedans, and vans. Off-road equipment, tractors, loaders, trailers, street rollers/paver equipment. 90-day inspections per DOT on combination trucks, sweepers, solid waste collection vehicles, and dump trucks. VM serves internal City of Manteca employees, and we work closely with them to keep equipment and vehicles in good working conditions so employees are able to do their day-to-day operations. A benefit VM provides the City of Manteca is an immediate response and expedited repair of critical equipment, in close coordination with the using departments to establish priorities for repair. The Facilities Division provides daily maintenance and custodial services for all city-operated facilities. The facilities team is made up of 3 maintenance engineers, which are responsible for all aspects of the construction trades, and 5 custodians, which are responsible for the daily sanitization and cleaning of all city-occupied buildings. The goal of the facilities team is to continue to provide the necessary maintenance and repairs to all of the City of Manteca's infrastructure to make sure its citizens and employees have a safe working environment. Custodians ensure that facilities are sanitized and cared for on a daily basis and have handled the extra work that has been created due to the COVID-19 virus. In addition, they also clean up after special events that get scheduled at our public use buildings to ensure the readiness of the facilities at all times. The maintenance engineers are responsible for heating, air conditioning, and ventilation systems, complex and minor electrical maintenance and installations, painting, locksmithing, remodeling, plumbing, concrete, carpentry, and general maintenance as required. These are just a few of the daily tasks this division is called on to do. We are called out to work on burnt-out lights that light up the area for citizens that use our facilities, and continue to maintain HVAC to provide the warmth needed in the winter and the cooling in our valley heat. The Facilities Department is the smallest division in the Public Works Department that handles the widest variety of tasks that are asked of us. We are here to support all that the City of Manteca provides to the citizens and its employees. The City of Manteca Park Operations Department is broken up into 4 divisions: Parks, Urban Forestry, a public golf course, and the Landscape and Community Facilities Maintenance Districts. The Parks Division maintains roughly 70 neighborhood and community parks throughout the city. In addition to the parks, we also maintain an aquatics facility, tennis courts, a dog park, a BMX and skate park, a spray park, multiple soccer, softball, and baseball fields, and numerous playgrounds. Park staff are responsible for mowing, weed eating, spraying, graffiti abatement, homeless cleanup, playground inspections, restroom and maintenance facility, as well as many other services to provide a safe, clean, and green area for the residents of Manteca to recreate. The Urban Forestry Division is responsible for inspecting, installing, pruning, and removing the trees throughout the city. With just over 14,000 trees spread through the streetscapes, neighborhoods, facilities, and parks. The Golf Division maintains the city's 18-hole golf course. The Golf Division serves the City of Manteca by providing a high-quality golfing experience for players of all ages and abilities. The staff is committed to providing a high-quality, memorable experience for our residents and neighboring communities. The Landscape Maintenance Division provides maintenance services to 45 districts throughout the City of Manteca. The 45 districts are comprised of 18 parks, 100 acres of park and streetscape turf, 40 acres of shrub beds, and 11 acres of hardscape. Similar to the Parks Division, staff provide a high-quality service to our residents. Manteca Transit is responsible for providing public transportation services for the community through 4 fixed routes that service the public from 6 a.m. to 7 p.m. Monday through Friday and 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. on Saturday. Complimentary ADA paratransit, Dial-A-Ride, is offered to seniors and individuals who are unable to independently use the regular fixed route service because of disabilities. Manteca Transit focuses on local transit needs while coordinating with regional agencies to promote and improve regional mobility and decrease the overall carbon footprint by utilizing alternative fuel vehicles. Drivers operate 10 buses, which includes Manteca's first CNG bus. Our goal is to provide a safe, reliable, convenient, and cost-effective transit service with adequate access to amenities. Dispatchers assist with approximately 50 calls per day with questions regarding routes, fares, paratransit, and much more. There are 83 different bus stops within the city of Manteca, along with a shuttle to and from ACE. Manteca Transit offers 3 types of transit services. 4 fixed routes service originating at Manteca Transit Center and connecting with additional regional transit providers. Dial-A-Ride service that operates within the city of Manteca for seniors, persons with disability, and Medicare cardholders, and ADA complimentary paratransit service that operates within the city of Manteca within a 3/4 mile radius of all routes for those with a disability that prevents the use of fixed routes. There are programs and services that are available to ADA residents. This includes ADA assessments, Access Pass, travel training, discount fare card, and My Ride program. Plan, pay, and ride by accessing the Vamos mobility app on your electronic device. If an electronic device is not accessible, passes can be purchased at the City of Manteca Recreation Department on 252 Magnolia Avenue. We work diligently on leveraging federal and state funding with local revenues to ensure financial stability for sustainable future growth. Manteca Transit connects the community and provides accessible transit service. Popular destinations that are offered include Great Wolf Lodge, AMC Theater, Manteca Golf Course, Big League Dreams, Woodward Park, Senior Center, Spreckles Park, Kaiser Permanente Manteca Medical Center, City Hall, schools, businesses, shopping, recreation, and more. The Transit Division is proud to serve the City of Manteca residents and employees. Learn more about the Public Works Department at www.ci.manteca.ca.us/publicworks.